Today we are going to learn operations on rational numbers. You know rational numbers means which are in the form of P by Q form. Q should not be equal to 0. So we call such numbers as rational numbers. Now for any rational number A by B and C by D, rational numbers, we define what are the operations? Addition. We know how to add. For addition, A plus B, A by B plus C by D is equal to BD will be the LCM. How many times B goes means D times. D into A. So AD. D how many times goes? B times. So plus BC. This is the way of adding two rational numbers. Coming to subtraction. A by B minus C by D. Here also we will take LCM. BD will be the LCM. B how many times goes? D times. So AD minus BC. D goes B times. Addition, subtraction. Next, two more operations. Multiplication. Multiplication. For multiplication, A by B into C by D. In multiplication, direct numerator will multiply with the numerator, denominator will multiply with the denominator. So, A into C, AC by B into D, BD. This is the way of doing operations on rational numbers. Next, division. Division, A by B divided by C by D. Here A by B will change division symbol into multiplication. Then the second fraction becomes reciprocal. C by D reciprocal is D by C. Now you multiply. A into D is AD by B into C is BC. Did you understand? These are the four operations we are going to do on rational numbers. Properties of addition on rational numbers. We are going to learn some properties on addition. Afterwards we will learn properties on multiplication also. Four properties are there. Commutative law, associative law, existence of additive identity, existence of additive inverse. Very simple to learn. Commutative law. What is commutative law means? Addition of rational numbers is commutative. A by B plus C by D, if we add, the same is equal to C by D plus A by B. Just very easy example. 1 plus 2. If you add, 2 plus 1 also the same. Sir, these are not rational numbers. No, sir, you may ask. 1 means 1 by 1, 2 means 2 by 1. Rational number 2 by 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 also 3. So if you add A by B plus C by D or C by D plus A by B, you will get same answer. Is equal to 3 only. Are you able to follow with the numbers? This is. That is in general. This is in general. When we do like this, we say as commutative property or commutative law. Addition of rational numbers is commutative. Coming to second one, associative law. Addition of rational numbers is associative. Associative in the sense A by B plus C by D plus E by F is equal to A by B plus C by D plus E by F. First two if you add the third one, or last two if you add to the first one, the same answer comes. In the same way, example 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Add 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. In the same way, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Same answer will come. This law is called as associative law. What law? Associative law. This is example with numbers. This is in general form. Coming to the third one. Existence of additive identity. 0 is the additive identity of rational numbers. A by B plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A by B is equal to A by B. Same answer should come. If 10 is there, if something you are adding, again 10 should come, means what you will add here? 0. 10 plus 0 is again 10. The same number should come. Minus 15 is equal to, again minus 15 should come. How much should be added? Plus 0. So 0 is the additive identity of rational numbers. Same number should come. If you add 0, there is no use. If you add. Coming to the existence of additive inverse. Every rational number A by B has minus A by B. Just to tell opposite sign. Suppose here 10 plus how much will become 0? Again if you add minus 10 only. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. In the same way A by B, how much if you add? Again minus A by B if you add only 0. Or minus A by B, if you add minus A by B by A by B. Both like commutative property. Like commutative property only. Like commutative property. You add, anyway you will get 0. So these are the properties on addition. Just you remove here addition, write multiplication, plus place into, you have to keep that solve. But these two will change. Now properties of multiplication on rational numbers. First property, commutative property or commutative law. Multiplication of rational numbers is commutative. Multiply A by B into C by D or C by D into A by B. Same answer comes. AC by BD. CA or AC both mean same only. BD or DB same only. Example 1 into 2, 2 only. Or 2 into 1 also 2 only. So commutative property with the numbers to understand clearly. Next, associative law. Multiplication of rational numbers is associative. A by B into C by D, one bracket, into again E by F is equal to A by B, and this time you put C by D into E by F in one bracket. If you multiply like this also same answer comes. Example 1 into 2 into 3. 1 2 is 2, 2 3 6 we got. This time we are keeping 1 into 2 into 3 we are keeping bracket. 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Same answer. Understood I think. Next, third, existence of multiplicative identity. 1 is the additive identity on rational numbers for multiplication. Here you see 1 into A by B is equal to A by B into 1 is equal to A by B only. One table everybody knows. So 10 into 1 is 10 only. 10 here also the same number should come, means 10. For addition 0. For multiplication 1. Like that you compare and read. Fourth one, existence of additive inverse. Inverse means reverse. Meaning every rational number A by B, reverse is what? B by A, has B by A as its multiplicative inverse. A by B into B by A or B by A into A by B, how much you will get? 1. How B get cancelled? One time A goes in A, one time 1 only will come. 10 is there. 10 into 1 by 10. Answer should come 1. So 10 cancel is equal to 1. Exercise 1B. Write the additive inverse of. We have learned general. For A, the additive inverse is minus A. When we add, 0 should come. How? A plus into minus, minus A is equal to 0. This is our concept. Additive inverse. Are you able to follow? So, this is property we have learned. Now, for 5 they are asking, what is the additive inverse of 5? The additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Just quite opposite sign. For the next one, the additive inverse of 5 by 9 is minus 5 by 9. Opposite sign. Next, the additive inverse of 0. 0 is neutral, so is 0 only. Coming to the next one, they have given in which form? It is in mixed fraction. We have to change it to improper first of all. 8 5s are 40 and plus 3 minus 43 by 8. Now, the additive inverse of minus 43 by 8 is plus 43 by 8. If you write plus, if you are not writing plus also, no problem. For minus, compulsory you have to put sign. Next, coming to the last one, the additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Very simple. Just quite opposite sign you are going to write. A minus A. 1 minus 1. Minus 43 by 8 plus 43 by 8. 0 neutral. Write the multiplicative inverse of. We have learned property. For A, into 1 by A is equal to 1. A get cancelled. We will get 1. 1 is the multiplicative inverse. So here, the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. How? Minus 1 into reciprocal. Minus 1. Minus 1 get cancelled. You will get 1. Because 1 by minus 1 also minus 1 only. Next here, the multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3 is minus 3 by 2. How? Minus 2 by 3 into 1 by minus 2 by 3. Reciprocal. Minus 2 into minus 3 by 2. Minus into minus plus. 2 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. You will get 1. So, for minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 2. Coming to here, minus, it is in mixed fraction. Change into improper fraction. 36 plus 1, 37 by 2. 37 by 2. Now, implies the multiplicative inverse of minus 37 by 2 is minus 2 by 37. Keep in mind. Next, the multiplicative inverse of minus 20 by 41 is minus 41 by 20. Are you able to follow? Reciprocal. A 1 by A. Here also reciprocals. Just quite reciprocals if you do, you'll get. Fourth problem. Find two rational numbers between. Here they have given 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. In between these two rational numbers, two more numbers they are asking us to find. So 3 by 4 and 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6 by 5. How to find means half of those two numbers. 3 by 4 plus 6 by 5 you take half. That is equal to half of 4 5s are 20. There is no common table. 20 is LCM. 5 3 is 15 plus 4 6 are 24. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 plus 24 39. 39 by 20. There is no common table to cancel. 139 is 39 and 2 20s are 40. So one fraction we got 3 by 4, 39 by 40, 6 by 5. They are asking two rational numbers. We got one. Now you take either these two or those two. Your choice. There's no. Now I am taking again half of 3 by 4 plus 39 by 40. Sir, I take these two. Take, no problem. Take these two and do, no problem. That is equal to half of, in between they told, either this side or that side. Now, 40 will be the LCM because for 4 and 40, 40 is, will get LCM. If you want, find. Now 4 goes 10 times, 30 plus 40 goes 40 one time, 139 is 39. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 69 by 40. So no table cancels. 69 by 80. Now they are asking two rational numbers. What are the two rational numbers we got? 39 by 40 and 69 by 80 are the two rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. Write that conclusion. Write that conclusion here. What is the conclusion? 39 by 40 and 69 by 80 are two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. Between 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. Write the conclusion clearly. Coming to the next one. Between minus 1 and 1. Again same procedure. Half of minus 2 plus 1. That is equal to half of minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Plus into minus minus, minus half you got. So minus 2 minus half 1. One rational number we got. This time I'll take these two. Because here I took first no. You may, so now I'm going to take that one. Any side you can take. Because between either this one you can take or that one. Minus half plus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 into here 2 LCM. 2 goes into 1 time, minus 1, plus is there again, right, plus. Here nothing is there means 1 is there, 1 goes into 2 times, 2 ones are 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 by 2. So 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So we got minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 are the two rational numbers. Are the two rational numbers between minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 and 1. Understand clearly?